Okay, so we are just passing Smith Knolls on the right. So now this is the drive up to Ambient Way. See if you like this. Okay, so basically the lot is straight ahead now, so you can go to the right and look to the lot to the left, or I'm gonna go up and look down at the lot, and I'll try to do both. So the lot is to the right over here. I'm gonna go over to the other side where you would be underneath the lot, and then you can see there's like a decent ridge right ahead of us. So that would be our view. I'll try to get a shot from it over here off of this street as well. And it's a little bit misty this morning. I'll get the shot of the lot first, and then I'll try to get a shot of the ridge. So it's actually not only on the left side here, but there's a strip of land over here to the right, up to that brush, which is also considered part of the lot. I guess they put the street in after. So this is the lot over here to the left, and it goes all the way down. To those posts, or I guess that stick right there. I'm gonna get out and take some more out of the truck. Okay, I'm back. So there is a house up there, but this whole strip of land would, 2 acres I think, would be enough to have some privacy. Still have a nice view over there. It's not ridiculously steep. It's definitely graded, but it's not horrible. It's super quiet around here, which is nice. So you can see, I'll just jump up here real quick, see if you can get a better shot of how this is graded. Yeah, it's a little bit of a grade, but it's really not that bad. Hope that gives you a good idea of what this is all about.